Hello viewer, welcome to my one or more new video. In this video, we are going to transfer these Excel sheet data from PC to our TOPCON OS series total stations is a job. What we have to do first, this is our data in an Excel sheet format, but this file is in the format of .xlsx files, but we have to convert first we have to convert this data in .csv file because our ts is only read .csv file. This is the excel data. Just you have to collect this data this in this format. As when we are taking from excel sheet, the data is in this format, like first is the serial number, second one is string x y z and remark. But when we are plotting in the ts, then its data reading in the format of northing, easting and elevations. So first we have to convert northing in a second, like format serial number, northing, easting, elevations and z. For this we have to do just cut it, control c, not control c, just like cut it and paste, insert in the cut cells. Okay, in this format you have to make this north sn, northing, easting and elevations and remark. Okay, just no need to this add. Okay, I'll only show for the information for you. And then what we have to do, save, control s. But this data is saved, just save anywhere, like browse. We are going to save on a usb, but this data is xls .xls file, but this data is not written by ts series, so we have to convert this file at uh, .csv, just like that .csv file. And here you have to select the format. There is a .csv file is ms.csv. Just select it and save it. Okay, this data is already saved in excel sheet. Just check in app insert usb. This is the file of csv. If you want to see, yeah, this file is open. Then this file, sorry, this file is open. Okay, and then is already transferred on a pen drive. Check out the pen drive first and just put that pen drive on your ts. Okay, just hold and put that pen drive on it. This blinking, that means it's connected. And then what we have to do, we have already created a job. We have already created the job here. Go to the job. If you have any created job, then create, otherwise you can create a new job. Okay, there is a job. We are going to open the world job. Just create a new job. Okay, no need, just we are going to like er dot er dot yt. We created one job. Okay, just created similarly, but the yt, create a job and press the buttons, and you have to add the name. I will already show the in the next video how to create the job. Already you can see this video is pinned on this comment. Okay, just press these buttons, this job is created. And how we can transfer the data from excel sheet, first we have to just check in any point on this job or not. Go to the edit point, there is no data. Okay, we have to upload that data. For upload that data in this job, we have to go to exchange, and from file, again I'm going to show. First you have to go to the exchange, from file, and there is the data point nez, this is the format of NEZ. That's why we are going to change the format in NEZ. Okay, and just press go to the next. And this is the removable disks. This is shown by the, this is our pen drive, and this is our file .csv file. Just select it. If this file is not shown, then you can press here and change. If this if your pen drive is not connected, then you have to go the files by searching, or you can also, yeah, here you can also change the csv file on NEZ format. Okay, just select it and press the tick mark. And again, the coordinate system is also tick mark, and that means it data is important. The 10 data is already important in this. And just press close, hold for a seconds, and the data is came back. Go back to the home, and for checking the data is came on, is shown in our job or not, just go to the edit point there. This is our data from pen drive is uploaded on this. For this, you can check the point. First one is point, second is property, code, or nothing, sting, elevations, code control, and notes, etc. Thank you for watching this video. If any query, then text me, I will solve it. In the next video, we are going to we are going to show how we can lay out by using this point on a field. Okay, thank you for this watching this video.